What's the difference between an H03 and H06 insurance policy? Well, as a trustworthy and successful real estate agent, I'm going to answer that question for you right now. Now, an H03 policy covers everything on your home, inside your home, and your land as well. Now, an H06 policy only covers what we call from the walls in. So it essentially covers the inside of your property. Now, an easy way to understand this is that if you're purchasing a house versus purchasing a condo, now, if you're purchasing a house, you're going to need an H03 insurance policy because you're not just insuring what's on the inside of that house. You need to insure what's on the outside as well, such as your roof. Now, if you're purchasing insurance for a condo, usually your HOA will have a master insurance policy that already covers everything from the walls and outside of your particular unit. So that means you only need insurance from the walls in, and that's going to be an H06 policy. Now, the gray area is if you're buying a townhouse. If you're buying a townhouse, sometimes you're still responsible for everything, including your roof, so you might need an H03 policy. But some townhouses are just like condos and they have an HOA that has a master policy, so you only need an H06 to cover everything from the walls in. So before you purchase a townhouse, make sure up front you know what type of policy that you need. And the last bit of advice is obviously since the H03 policy covers a lot more, they are a lot more expensive than the H06 policy. Now, since I got straight to the point in this video and gave you some good quality information, I do think that deserves a like and subscribe. So if you can do that for me real quick before you click to the next video, I would really appreciate it. And as usual, if you're interested in buying, selling, or renting down here in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, or the neighboring areas, feel free to give me a call or send me a text if you need a really good real estate agent. All my contact details are in the description below. Thank you and have a great day.